ever faced that moment when you deleted an Instagram post unintentionally and wanted to get it back with the same number of views, likes and comments? Well, if yes, then you are going to love Instagram's new recently deleted feature, as it will help you view and restore all the deleted content. So from now on, all the photos, videos, IGTV videos and even reels that you choose to delete will be moved directly to the recently deleted folder so that you can access them and either choose to permanently delete them or restore them. Hi everyone, I am Ashri and you're watching Gadgets 360. In this video, I will show you how to view and recover deleted posts on Instagram. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we publish new videos. Before we get started with the tutorial, let me tell you that you can access your deleted content on Instagram within 30 days. Post that all your deleted photos and videos will be automatically removed from your recently deleted folder and there will be no way you can get them back. So if you wish to restore your deleted posts on Instagram, you have to make sure that you do it within these 30 days. Also, you should note that this recently deleted feature is being rolled out in a phased manner to both Android and iOS users. So if you can't find this feature on your phone, then there is a chance that you will receive it in the coming days. Now let's move on to the steps. To recover a deleted post on Instagram, you'll first have to install the latest version of the app from Google Play or App Store. Then open the app on your Android or iOS device. Now go to your profile and tap the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Click on Settings. Now go to Account. Scroll to the bottom. Here you will find the new recently deleted option. Tapping that, you will be able to view your recently deleted content. Now select on the post you would like to recover and then tap on the three dots at the top. Now you can either choose to permanently delete the post or recover it. If you click on Restore, you will have to first verify that it is you for security reasons. You will receive a code on your phone number or Gmail ID. Now enter the code and click Confirm and your post will be recovered. That's it. In a few simple steps, you can recover your deleted Instagram posts, and I think this will be a very useful feature for many because we often delete Instagram posts without thinking much and then regret it later. Like always, if you like this video, then do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, hop down in the comments and tell me what you think about this feature. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon.